Hi, I am Michael from Jamaica, and in my head, I have the stock recommendations for your financial independence, man. Hey, today's update is about a small thank you campaign for our subscribers. Hey, the campaign, starts in May, and you can find out more about it in this video. Hey, you see, we also have updates on CELLINK, Crispr Therapeutics, Drone Delivery Canada, and Supra Microcomputer for you. Hey, we would also like to draw your attention to the fact that we publish short-term trades on Instagram at irregular intervals, shortly before we enter them. Hey, if this topic interests you, then stay tuned, man. After the rich disclaimer, we continue. From the first video published in May 2021, everyone who leaves a comment on the current video will automatically take part in a weekly draw for US $10 in the form of Bitcoin. Currently, US $10 is 0.000161 Bitcoin. So you see, anyone who is interested in Bitcoin and Co knows that the Bitcoin has a good chance of rising to 100,000 US dollars in 2021. Hey, you see, so to take part in this raffle, the person concerned must have registered as a subscriber to the Stock Screener Island channel. The promotion is limited to 10 weeks, but will be extended to a further 10 weeks if there is a sufficient interest. Yeah, man, the winner will be announced the following week when the new video is released. And with each new video, a new round of the raffle will start. Hey, the respective winner should then send us their Bitcoin wallet address via our company email so that we can send the coins in return. So much for the raffle. If there are any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. All right, so let's start our updates with CELLINK. The leading company in the field of bioprinting has so far been able to withstand all market fluctuation and has only known one direction since our entry into the market on the 1st of October 2020, and that direction is north. Hey, our entry price at the time was SEK, that is a Swedish krona, 204.60. The share is currently trading at around SEK 500. Hey, and you see, so taking advantage of price setbacks, we have already bought CELLINK shares twice. Despite the strong performance in the last 6 months, the company's price potential has not yet been nearly exhausted. And for all those interested, the video can be found under CELLINK Stock Analysis. Why CELLINK at tenbagger? I explain on our channel. Yes, man. So, next one, Crispr Therapeutics. Our next update is certainly the stock with the greatest potential in our portfolio. This is already our second update on Crispr, and most investors are certainly familiar with the company. Crispr Therapeutics is a leading gene editing company focused on developing transformative gene-based medicines for serious diseases using its proprietary CRISPR/Cas9 platform. Starting from our entry price on the 22nd of September 2020 at 88.81, the Crispr share developed to a high of $220.20 US dollars by the 11th of January 2021. For most market observers, it was already clear at this point that a correction was not only likely, but also necessary. However, few had expected that this correction could lead to a low of $100. When the fog of battle lifted, forgive the little dramatical help, we found ourselves quite blocked and close to our entry price. However, it quickly became clear that this 54% correction had little to do with the company itself. An entire sector was punished here for growth that was downright dubious in 2020. You see, we remain convinced of the company's fundamentals, its vision, and its uniqueness in a long-term scenario. And have already bought the dip. Yes, man, for those interested, here is our video. Crispr stock analysis. Is Crispr a medical sensation? A 10-bagger? Hey, you see, we have already provided an update on drone delivery Canada. It is probably the most solid penny stock we could find in 2020. It took 5 months from our entry price of US dollar 0.53 in September to the temporary high of US dollar 2.01 on the 10th of February 2021. Even though the share has subsequently corrected strongly and is now at around US $1, we are holding on to the company for the long term. Our entry price is right, and we will take every opportunity to buy more shares at a favorable price. You see, we like drone delivery's vision of a civilian use of drones. The management is fully committed to the company, and the position as a global market leader provides a good basis for further growth. See 10-bagger number 1, 100-bagger for more information. Now, for the latest update, Super Microcomputer is a solid, rather unspectacular company, but it serves practically all future markets with its products and thus secures its own future. Since our entry on the 1st of February 2021 at a price of 31.50, the share has continued to develop. Despite the strong market fluctuations that have moved the market since mid-February, SMCI has grown by 29% since then and is thus close to its all-time high. Reaching a new all-time high will set a strong buy signal. However, we assume that the share will correct before then. Within this correction, Super Micro can gather the necessary strength to establish a new all-time high. And we at Stock Screener Island will use this breathing space to buy up shares. You can find the corresponding video under Super Micro Stock Analysis. Will the SMCI share rock the market in 2021? Well, so much for today's update, man. Have fun and good luck with your investment. And again, as a reminder, please also visit us on Instagram if you are interested in short-term trades. Listen, man, if this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We're also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel and win and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence, man. Yeah, man.